Hello everyone, myself Amit Kumar Mane, founder Global Pharma Group. Today we are going to discuss about what are the best way to verify your buyers. Most of the time what happen, you were communicated with one of the buyer who is individual person and you don't know anything about that particular buyer. How you can verify? Because if you can't verify, there are chances of fake peoples, there are chances of loss your investment and even time as well. So in case if you are communicating with the authentic company, the already registered company, then it is fine. But if any other third person or individual person is in communication with you, then how you can verify them? Because like without verification it is very risky to proceed. There are a lot of risk associated with many countries in terms of the payment risk, documentation risk, a lot of things. So you need to verify the buyers. So how you can verify? I am here enlisted all the possible ways which are practical and you can able to do this. Let's begin. But before start, if you want to start your own pharmaceutical export business and want to grow, you want to know everything related to the pharmaceutical export, you can join our 1 month advanced workshop on pharmaceutical export business management, where we tell everything related to generic export, medical device, herbal export, nutraceutical, API export from the beginning itself, from the expert, so that you can get complete idea about pharmaceutical export. To know more, fill the Google form given in the description or you can call to this number. Thank you. So let's begin. So the first way is you need to communicate with the embassy of particular country where your buyer belongs. Okay, but before that you must check the company details of the buyers, the name of those people, then the company name, their website, social handles, whatever you got from them, you just have to collect and save it. Then you can send this same to the embassy of particular country. Every country has Indian embassy, so you need to communicate with them. How you can check? There are portals already in Google. You can type embassy of particular country, you will got the email ID, even contact number as well. Communicate with them, ask them the verification purpose you are emailing them, and just verify this buyer so that I can proceed my deal easily. Okay, so they will reply you definitely. If they that particular buyer is in list of their network, definitely they will verify them. So this is the one of the best way. Second way, you can personally visit those particular country, because if you visit, you can know the people, you communicate with them, you understood, yes, this is the company and these are the operations. This is very easiest way. But yes, again, it is a kind of investment as well, but yes, it is a fruitful investment. Hence you can visit that particular country to know each and every detail of that particular person or the company belong from them. Next one is you can check the trade data. Like many companies providing the data, like the port data, which include all the deals, pharmaceutical deals from India, how many export is done, how much quantity, which products are exported, everything, and when it is exported. That is port data. One of the famous website is Volza. Okay, so you can have to you check their portals, get their subscription, and then you can able to check that the every deal, not only that particular deal, everything you can got to know from their portal. So if your buyer has already like old importer, you can check their deals on that portal as well, so that gives you more authentication. So this is one of the way. Okay, next way, you can communicate with the advisory body. Advisory body means in India, Pharmexil is there for pharmaceuticals, then Chemexil for API, Ayushexil for the Ayurvedic herbal products. So you can register them, get their RCMC and check their data. You can directly request them, they will check and revert you. Okay, so even there they also arrange buyer seller meet as well. You can communicate with them, you can get their details as well. So this is again one of the way. Next way is third party verification. There are many companies, okay, all over the world who do third party verification. So you can pay them, they will do the verification, but check their rating, check their authentication from the government, and then you can hire this work to them. They can check and revert back to you. That is also possible. Next one, you can visit the trade fair of that particular country. So in that case, if they participate, you can visit them, or you can get the dictionary also. Lot of things will be possible in that case. Even you get a lot of network, the company detail, product details from the trade shows. Okay, so you can visit. This is one of the best way. And the last one is social handles. You can check that company's social handles, either LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, everything. You can check check their details. If you find it is authentic, if many peoples are there in their network communicating with them, commenting on their post, and check their website, recent activities, everything, you can do the R&D of their website. That again gives you the authentication about that particular buyer. So these are the multiple ways where you can do exact buyer verification by your own way. Okay, so some are paid, some are unpaid. You can check all as per your requirements. So I hope you completely understood this complete step how to verify your buyers. To know more about the pharmaceutical export, you can also join our 1 month advanced workshop on pharma export business management. We will guide you thoroughly about pharma export from the beginning with the expert knowledge. Also, we given here market research data, buyers list, and lot more benefits. To know more, fill the Google form given in the description, or you can call to this number. Visit our website as well. So this is, hope you understood completely about this particular task or particular steps, and you can apply accordingly. If you still have any query, we are welcome, and we are happy to guide you. Thank you for watching this video. I wish you all the best. If you are new to our channel, let me tell you, we provide a lot of information related to the pharmaceutical export business guidelines. So for more information, kindly subscribe our channel and stay connected with us. Thank you.